The Howe Sound Crest Trail is a 30-kilometer route traversing the mountains on Vancouver's North Shore. Starting at Cypress Ski Area, it passes recognizable peaks high above the waters of the Pacific, before dropping down to Porto Cove on the Sea to Sky. It was a pleasure to have good friends Nico and Elena join me on this trail. An added bonus is a high starting point and a low elevation finish, so we'd have an overall elevation loss.
Beautiful. Yeah. You can see a horseshoe bay from here.
Nice.
The view looks a lot nicer than ours.
Yeah.
It's like running
see my house from here. The beginning is busy, but we left the crowds behind at St. Mark's summit, where the trail becomes steeper and less traveled. On top of Unnecessary Ridge, we broke out of the trees again onto slabs of flat granite and sweeping vistas. We're 10k along the Howe Sound Crest Trail now, almost to the West Lion behind me. It's actually just above us now. It looks within reach. It looks like easily doable from here. And the views are fantastic over Howe Sound. Beautiful weather. The breeze is feeling super. We're gonna keep going until we can get to some water source or a lake, because we really need water before we can camp tonight.
We got a capsule up here. Because this trail we suffer on so much, we finally get some reward. We get to sign our names on the capsule. And we'll say that the Howe Sound Crest Trail, HSCT, August 14, and we're camping at...
I made it!
somewhat flat here if you want.
Yeah, if you want.
We haven't gone.
What a beautiful tent, eh?
Oh, it's incredible.
Holy cow.
So guys, what's on the menu tonight?
Nothing other than students' backpacker pantry. Craft dinner.
Ooh, sounds delicious.
Oh yeah.
What did you think of the trail? I thought it was a lot tougher than I expected, and the up and downs were just grueling.
Yeah, I thought the trail was pretty tough because of all the elevation gain and then loss and then gain and then loss and then gain. So that was pretty tough.
It was like personal losses and then personal gains and then personal losses and personal gains.
Yeah, it was pretty fun though. I really enjoyed it. Just get flown in.
Only for Luke.
Ready to go. Woo! Mount Harvey. We couldn't pass up the opportunity to scramble up Mount Harvey directly above our camp. This beautiful peak surrounded by Howe Sound behind us. Mount Brunswick to my left, the highest point on the Howe Sound Crest. And it is another beautiful day. This is perfect weather. Nina came up with us, but this trail's probably too steep for most dogs.
Stare down at the floor with one hand on the door. Where are you going? Where are you going? She don't love you back. You'll have to be okay with that. Where are you going? Where are you going? Well, you're king of your own hill. Don't let your thoughts run wild, let your heart be still.
We're at the highest point of the Howe Sound Crest, Mount Brunswick.
It's nice up here. You haven't realized?
Where are you going? Don't let them have control. Don't let them have your soul. Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't listen to what they said, just because their own dreams are dead. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Well, you're king of your own hill. Don't let your thoughts run wild, let your heart be still. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Stare down at the floor with one hand on the door. Where are you going? Where are you going? She don't love you back.
We arrived at our campsite for the second night at the bottom of Deeks Lake. We've descended all the way down from Brunswick Mountain. This is such a beautiful moss-covered forest here, and the late afternoon sunshine is just spilling down through the trees. I love it. And for tomorrow, it's all downhill from here to the exit.
Whoa.
It was so warm I didn't even need my tent. Just slept out right on top of it.
Overall, it was a great experience. The very first day was more physically challenging than the other days. There was a lot of elevation gain. And the third day was just nice and easy, getting home. We got here think 4 or 5 hours before we thought we were gonna make it to the end. So
our summit of Brunswick was great, summit of Harvey was great, fantastic views. You meet really nice people on the trail. I got a sandwich from a gentleman named Sam. Thank you, Sam, if you're watching this. The first day was a little challenging for us because we didn't have as much water as we thought we did.
That part was really tough. We were super dehydrated because there's almost no water in the first half of the trail. So a pro tip, bring lots of water for the start. There's all kinds of water and lakes on the second half, but the first half is very dry in August.